Welcome to the day 10 of our 50 days challenge where we'll be covering RAG end to end. So, today we'll understand the standardized technique to chunk PDFs, docs, web pages, or codes. So we'll start with the chunking process of PDFs. Now, we should not chunk the raw PDF text. We always have to extract the text, then remove the headers or footers. Then we should merge the broken lines, detect headings, do the semantic chunking, and at the end, we should add the metadata. Now, this is a standard chunking process. There can be other processes as well. For the chunking of Word or documents, generally the documents are already well structured. So we just have to see the headings and we can use it as chunk boundaries. And we can have a condition that we should split after 600 tokens or 500 token. It totally depends on your architecture. Now, the other two parts, the chunking of web pages and code, are a bit typical because when we talk about the chunking of web pages, it has so many things. It may have ads, it has navigation bar, and so many different things. So we just have to chunk the main part, the main content. We should not go for all other things. So we should extract the main content. We should chunk by headings, and we should obviously drop the navigation or footer. Now, this will have different pages. This using the same technique, you can chunk different pages in a particular website. For chunking the code, we should not just chunk the whole repo at once. Rather, we should chunk one function, one class, or one file section. Now you'll see the real world chunking pipeline for any production system. So let's say these are the documents. So you have to clean it first, you have to detect the structure, then you have to chunk it by the meaning, and finally you have to add metadata. Now, after all of this, you can do the embedding. So if you see the real debug checklist, you have to make sure that these things are being followed. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you.